What's up YouTube? In this video I'll show you how to replace the fog light bulb on this 2022 Jeep Wrangler. The procedure would be pretty much the same for a Gladiator, so let's proceed. First of all, we have to remove the panel behind the bumper. There are only 7 plastic clips. You can use plastic clip removal tool. In order to remove that panel completely, we have to undo 2 7mm bolts, one on each side. Actually, you don't have to completely remove that panel. You can just simply lift it up and move it out of the way. And now we have to undo a few more 7mm to remove that panel. Now you have access to the bulb, and there are 2 tabs on the top and on the bottom. You have to squeeze them together and just pull it out. Here we go. Just squeeze that top and remove the bulb. I'll double check it at first and see if that works. I leave the link for the bulb in the description below. Let's just put it back. You would hear a click, and just put everything back in the reverse. That's pretty much it. Everything works fine, and if this video was helpful, please hit the like button. That helps a lot. And if you need any help with this project or any other project for your car, just use Fixty. This is my platform to find the best mobile mechanics in your area. Just simply send a request and get competitive pricing from different specialists in your area. Thank you so much. Have a good one.